this is where I'm at with my DIY war horn, inspired by Lord of the Rings. It's made with things I either already had or found. I started with this male end from this garden hose, attached it to this funnel. The funnel slid on this piece of PVC pipe that I found at a construction site, and with a little bit of heat I managed to flare the end. It's all sanded and cleaned and ready for some paint. Well, I'm a little disappointed in this gold. Does not look like the lid whatsoever. Spent my last 20 bucks on that can. But it does look better than it did. Kind of reminds me of a Lord of the Rings saxophone at the moment.
Oh